Okay, so in chapter 3, we're going to be moving on to simultaneous equations, looking at linear equations and quadratic equations, and also inequalities. So starting off with linear simultaneous equations, this is just trying to find x and y when we have two equations which are linear, okay? And so there are actually two ways of doing it. We can do elimination or you can do substitution. I'm going to show you how to do both ways, and it's up to you guys to see which one you prefer and which one you feel more comfortable in. So let's try an example where we have let's go for 2x minus y is equal to 6 and 4x plus 3y is equal to 22. So our aim here is to find our x and y values, okay? So I'm going to start off with, let's go for elimination first. So what it means by elimination is we want to try and get rid of it by subtracting or adding. So if I write as 4x plus 3y is 22, now this term here, if we want to get rid of the x terms, I want this term to be 4x, right? So I'm actually going to multiply 2 to every single term in the first equation and write it underneath. So that's going to be 4x minus 2y is equal to 12. Now this way, if I subtract the x terms, the y terms, and the numbers, the x terms will disappear and I'll be left with just the y terms. So 4x minus 4x is 0, 3y minus 2y is plus 2y, so it's going to be 5y. And 22 minus 12 is 10, so y is equal to 2. I can now substitute y is 2 back into either equation to find my x. So I'm going to substitute it into the top one, so we have 2x minus 2 is 6, 2x is 8, so therefore x is equal to 4. So we have y is 2 and x is 4. So that is the elimination method. The other method is the substitution method, and what we're going to do is just, as we say, substitute one letter into another. So I'm going to say, starting off with the first one, 2x minus y is 6. I'm going to rearrange to make x the subject. So 2x is equal to 6 plus y, so x is 6